Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 10 easy ways to add more protein to your oatmeal. Number 1. Add a scoop of protein powder. The fastest hack. Mix in vanilla or chocolate protein powder for an instant 20-25 g protein boost. Number 2. Stir in Greek yogurt. Thick, creamy, and rich in protein. It also makes your oatmeal taste like dessert. Number 3. Crack an egg into it. Whisk an egg into warm oats to make them fluffy, creamy, and packed with extra protein. You won't even taste the egg. Number 4. Add cottage cheese. Melt it in warm oats for a creamy texture and up to 14 g more protein. Number 5. Top with peanut butter or almond butter. Healthy fats plus protein. Just 1 tablespoon makes a big difference. Number 6. Sprinkle chia seeds. A tablespoon of chia adds plant protein, fiber, and omega-3s. Number 7. Mix in hemp seeds. Hemp hearts blend perfectly and give your oatmeal a nutty, protein-rich upgrade. Number 8. Add nuts like almonds or walnuts. Crunch plus protein plus healthy fats. Great for keeping you full longer. Number 9. Use high-protein milk instead of water. Swap water for dairy milk or soy milk to instantly double your protein intake. Number 10. Stir in silken tofu. A secret hack. Silken tofu blends seamlessly, boosts protein, and doesn't change the flavor.